go. That was the 2026 National Storm Chaser Summit. What an awesome event that was, as I met incredible storm chasers like Reed Timmer, meteorologists like Jen from the Weather Channel, and of course, all the amazing weather enthusiasts that I did post on my socials. If you do want to go to this event for next February, definitely follow the summit on their socials. They will be releasing the tickets come July so that you don't miss this incredible event if you have a weather enthusiast at home. But how about our weather? I notice you've probably seen this pattern change that we've dealt with from those colder temperatures to now much warmer temperatures that we've been dealing with. And we're going to look at the Climate Prediction Center to see if this trend continues. And looking at this 6 to 10 day temperature outlook that gets us into those latter portions of February, you notice we're already seeing these above normal temperatures persist. And again, I said pattern change because it is. Out parts of the west, including California, parts of the Pacific Northwest, you can see now they're dealing with below normal temperatures and even above average precip, which I told you we were going to see how long that trend of above normal temperatures would continue for them. Now we've seen this warmer air push east, even as far east as the East Coast. And our normal highs for this time of the year over Missouri and Illinois range in the 40s. Generally, by the end of the month, that's when our normal highs are in the upper 40s, near 50. And so when we look at temperatures like this, these will be temperatures well above normal for this upcoming week, especially, where we could even see highs well into the 60s, even approaching 70. Now, I will say, getting into those latter portions of February, we will see a bit more colder temperatures return, not like what we saw in January, but more typical February temperatures by the end of the month, let's say 40s and 50s. We can still get a few changes because, again, it's really all about these above normal temperatures, even in that 8 to 14 day temperature outlook, getting us into those last bits of February and even into early March. We're seeing this consistency of above normal temperatures even as far east as the East Coast. And so that is one thing you're going to notice. And even looking at the 3 to 4 week outlook, why am I showing the long range again? Because you're seeing a lot of consistency. And this is taking us even into those early portions of March. And hey, I don't want you to look at this and say winter is over. I've heard a lot of people on my socials start saying, oh, winter is over, Alvin. But I'm definitely enjoying these warmer temperatures that we've been dealing with and the milder temperatures that we're going to see over the next few days, because we are seeing that trend continue even into early March. This also does mean we'll have to even start talking about storms eventually. Hopefully not in March, but this always screams to me that potential that we're probably going to also see a bit more active weather, if not over parts of the south. So that is something that I'll monitor as well. But again, we're just focused on temperature trends in this video. That is all you should be concerned about at the moment. And of course, if anything does change, I will let you know. But if you are not a fan of winter, I hope you're enjoying these wonderful temperatures that we will see over the next few days. And again, let's watch that latter portion of February, because as we end off the month, it might end off just a little bit on that colder note. But for the latest updates on my forecast, including those outdoor weather reports I do over on X, make sure you follow me on them. Remember, I'm also on Instagram and Threads. The link to that will be down in the description. I'll talk more about maybe not winter weather. I think we don't want to hear about that, but the groundhog did see its shadow. Probably he was wrong this time around, but I did predict that he would see a shadow, so I am happy to see that he did. But of course, that is not verifying with the weather on this screen. And so if I do even see any signs of winter weather, which I don't at all at the moment, make sure you follow me on my socials. And of course, we can continue to talk about these milder temperatures if that's your thing and that's how you want your February to be. But until then, thank you for watching this green screen forecast all the way to the end. You're the best, and make sure you're liked and subscribed with notifications on.